Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Preciva Carpenter Square Tool. It can be used to measure, scribe, mark angles, etc. One rule is multi-purpose, allowing you to complete the work smoothly and no longer need to change tools frequently. 10 common fixed angles can be quickly marked without reading. Every 1 centimeter on the ruler is designed with holes for scribing. Go well with the scribing needle, you can quickly locate the angle you need. The aluminum alloy well-vinch angle ruler adopts laser scale, which is clear and wear-resistant. Also easy to read. The ruler will not deform and rust even after long-term use. Guarantee the accuracy and authenticity of your measurement results. Universal clip-on tape measure holder. Made for hard-working professionals. Pocket universal locking tape measure holder. Never have your tape measure fall off again. Simple one-handed operation. Slide your tape measure onto the holder. Rotate the holder to lock your tape measure into place when moving around. Rotate holder back to unlock. Fits a belt up to 2 inches wide. Special belt grips secure the holder in place with no damage to your clothing and accept all brands of tape measures. The WORX Shrub and Grass Shear. It is a compact and lightweight lawn edging and shrub shaping shear powered by a powerful 20-volt lithium-ion battery. The Shrub and Grass Shear comes with 3 easy-to-change blade sets that enable you both to shape shrubs and edge your lawn. The WORX Shrub and Grass Shear has a comfortable soft grip handle, and being lightweight at only 150 grams, it's comfortable to use for long periods. It's also smaller than other conventional shaping or edging shears, allowing for easy angling and enabling a precise and accurate cut. Skil Tile Saw. Skil wet tile saw with HydroLock system model 3550. Its unique HydroLock system helps keep water contained, eliminating much of the mess commonly associated with wet tile saws. In fact, there's still little mess. You can even cut tile in the same room where you're installing instead of having to go outside and make each cut. Features include a sliding side extension that allows you to cut tile up to 18 inches by 18 inches. A bevel that cuts style at both 22.5 and 45 degrees. A durable and rust-resistant aluminum tabletop and an adjustable aluminum rib fence with miter gauge for accurate, straight, and miter cuts. Klein Tools Zipper Bag Tool. Zipper bag provides convenient storage for pliers, wrenches, screwdrivers, drill bits, and other small tools. Easily attaches to tool bags or tool belts with the aluminum carabiners. Constructed with heavy-duty, water-resistant 1680 candelabra ballistic weave material. Reinforced bottom of 2520 ballistic weave material reduces sharper tools and parts from wearing through. The 2 inches gusseted bottom increases capacity and allows zipper bags to stand up, creating easy access to tools when open. Durable zippers have 1.5-inch metal pull along with a 2-inch webbed or string pull to make opening and closing easier with gloves on. The Ryo by 40 volts HP brushless 9-inch edger is a power-packed, versatile, and precise edging machine. Featuring a brushless motor, you achieve maximum power and motor life. With 3 ground-mounted wheels, an edge guide, and blade indicator, making clean edging lines have never been easier. Equipped with a push-button start makes getting to work quick and easy. The edger has 4-position single-point depth adjustment from 0.5 inch to 2.0 inch, and the rear drop wheel allows you to edge along a curb with ease. The Klein Tools Plumber's Kit is designed to make it easy to magnetically attach digital inclinators to conduit, non-magnetic pipe, or other objects. This consists of a metal plate and silicone straps that can be attached to non-magnetic objects. When attached, it provides a ferromagnetic surface that aligns with the non-magnetic pipe to which the digital level with programmable angles, or digital levels and inclinators, can be attached. This makes it easy to work with the inclinator in hands-free mode when trying to align non-magnetic pipe or conduit. The rack and roll safety dolly cart is the ultimate locking caster dolly cart, moving dolly cart, warehouse dolly cart, and all-around dolly. Built to perform, this low-profile dolly has an all-caster zero-turn radius. Based on the same steel platform as our yellow safety dolly, but features 4 locking stem and wheel casters. These casters are mounted to the corners of the dolly, giving it more ground clearance than the yellow safety dolly, allowing to go outside on uneven surfaces. When wanting the low profile of the yellow safety dolly, but needing the feature of locking casters, this portable and small footprint dolly is great for indoor and office use. Offers excellent maneuverability and even fits on most rental truck loading ramps. Interchangeable post system offers maximum flexibility to move almost any load, from thin pieces like bookshelves and to large pieces such as couch, desks, or mattresses. The rack and roll safety dolly can carry 3 to 4 times the load of traditional flat carts or hand trucks while being easier, faster, and safer to load. With the 8-post, it is ideal as a rolling rack for sign shops to store material or move product to the printer or cutter. SharkBite Professional Disconnect Tool. The SharkBite fitting removal tool will allow plumbers to carry a single tool to remove universal brass SharkBite fittings ranging in sizes from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. Previously, a disconnect clip or tom was required for each fitting size used on the job. This tool doesn't require interchangeable jaws, face-up plates, or screws to use. Its rugged design enables thousands of cycles, and since there are no retaining rings, you get added durability and extended life. The SharkBite fitting removal tool is stamped pipe and fitting on the prongs of the tool to ensure the removal tool is in the proper direction prior to removal. In addition to stamping, the prongs can be differentiated by the color silver for the pipe side and brass for the fitting side. The spring-loaded prongs will automatically resize to each pipe size from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. To use, first ensure that the pipe side prong is fully seated onto the pipe and evenly across the release collar, while the fitting side of the removal tool is placed above the barrel of the fittings. Squeeze the removal tool handle until the release collar is fully compressed, then pull the fitting away from the pipe. Slightly rotating the pipe or fitting may help release the fitting more easily. If the fitting does not release, remove the tool and reattach it, ensuring the prongs are properly and evenly seated under the release collar and fitting. The removal tool from SharkBite will allow your jobs to be fast, efficient, and reliable. Easily rowel support tool. Using your dominant hand on any flooring work leaves the supporting hand feeling uncomfortable as it's lower leaning against the floor. Easily allows you to work at a more ergonomic, comfortable position for longer periods with higher productivity. In one hand, you use your trowel to apply adhesives, mortar, cement, while in the other hand, have optimal support preventing vertebrae twisting and keeps your support hand at one comfortable angle. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.